Hi, it's Christine Hansen. Picking a home site can be a challenge, but if you know what to look for, you will find that it is well worth the effort. The most important consideration when buying a lot is choosing the right location. You will want to look into nearby community amenities, schools, medical facilities, and access to retail. Think ahead. Will the future development of the location be a boom or a bust? And don't forget to check up on the often forgotten details, such as access to roads and highways. Is the plot located in a floodplain? How will you access utilities, and what are the costs? Look into the property's history with regards to deeds and natural resource rights. And finally, don't forget to check out the lot's zoning and property restrictions. I'm always here to help with any questions you may have about home sites, so feel free to reach out to me at 239-280-7301 or request Christine@gmail.com.